Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 10th. It's the S&P 500. And let's take a peek here at what's happening. So when I checked yesterday, I was not trading here at 4 this morning, but when I checked yesterday, there was a lot of liquidity up here at this 2880 area. Now, what's going on in the media right now is they're talking about Trump is going to announce a payroll tax cut and also some other things that will be good for people who, if they end up getting sick or whatever, they'll get paid leave and things like that. So I'll tell you, ideally, they just came back here. Ideally, they would come back here and hold. Now, there's a chance that they could come back to here and hold. And there's even a chance they could come back. But look, they used this right here and they used this right here. So they could come back right here to this 14 and hold and go higher. Otherwise, they use this, and they haven't used these three here. Not necessarily ideal that we would, we've got this 95 to 90 area that hasn't been retested. And then below that, going to use that we wicked down through this. Could be all the way back here. It's 27.47. Let's see how much they're able to hold this thing up here today. So we've got here and there. What are those? So we've got 36.75, 46.75, and then this one here, 27.10. And then below that, we haven't been anywhere down here for a long time. So if they can't hold up here, likely will come at least back to 13. If they can't hold that, then 95 to 90, and then if they can't hold that, we'll look for 46, so forth and so on. Okay, so on the other side, let's pull this back down here like that. We haven't been back up to retest this, so getting back up above here, that would be a good sign for going higher. We've been up here, and then let's look back here. We just came back up here, but look, above here we haven't used any of these. We haven't been back up to any of these prices. So 2,900, that would be a good first area to go up and visit. Of course we have these two, but this 2,900 would be a good area to go see. And then we haven't been anywhere from above here, above this 2880 area. We haven't been back to retest any of these prices clear back up to 2960. So any one of those really are on the table up there. All those are open. So if they like it and they really want to pop and make a big rally today, not at all out of the question that we see all the way up to 2960 and even more. And if we get up there, we'll talk more about that in the live trade signals. So we'll just watch for if they're climbing higher, where do they start to stall out or whatever. That 2,900 area will be a good thing to keep an eye on, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you in the live trade signals.